Dude, I'm there. What is up, bro? Hello, welcome to Mosaic Music, a platform where we break Zion music to love. Let's break down the Malaysia and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. But Zalan, let me tell you something. Sometimes Jupiter gets busy. And when I get busy, I tend to fall behind a lot. Because on top of mind, I have to cover this, cover that, cover that. And I'm like, yo, a lot has happened. And like when I say a lot has happened, a lot has happened, bro. There's still an album I haven't even reacted to. That's how busy I've been, bro. Seriously. What is up, bro? As I'm reacting to this, hold on. As I am wait, what's happening? Oh, oh, oh. Anyway, as I'm reacting this, we are currently sitting on 546. 546. Yes. So yeah, cooler. Barcelona. The page is growing. It's getting bigger. There's more people discovering the page. The page is reaching a lot of people. And also want to say I am grateful. Nyabonga for giving me your guys' ears. Nyabonga for you guys always tuning in without fail and always supporting the content and share to others. It's been insane. It's an insane journey and it's been wonderful on my side. I ain't Gambela man. If I could tell you the things this channel has been doing, yeah, you'll be thinking that I'm lying. You'll be like, ah, no, man, I'm telling you. So, sorry for that. Eh. There we go. Nakia. So, today we are reacting to any Mercy of Cross. Mercy of the Cross Ministries. As choir ngithi le. Okwakho okukhulu kuyeza, okwakho okukhulu kuyeza. So that wasting you guys time. Let's dive right into it. Hold on. My sister, where you go? Cause the revival. Was that you? Are you from River? I need to find out. Actually, I need to text somebody and be like, bro, I saw this person. Uya or Nyamfanis, the lady with the glasses. Yo, I don't anything. I'm telling you now, bro. It is going to be exquisite. And look, we are still to hear more. We are still to see more. We are still, bruh. Look, all I'm saying, Noguti, we need to brace ourselves because, yeah, you remember what I said? I told you guys, I wanted the last 5 years, yeah, the 20s. I'm telling you, bro. It is about to get lit. Oh. My boy, listen, 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 listen. I'm a dancer, bro. The reason why Nilo Gangag and one day I will host. Trust and believe. One day I'll be there, and people that know me, I mean, I can't contain myself. I'm a dancer. I'm telling you, I'll be there. Go, show, take off, Guys, anything this man touches turns into gold. Sometimes we just need to give people their flowers. Just hand it to them and be like, my boy. Yawana, when we say we have people that are chosen for certain things, there are people who are able to put things together and it just makes sense. Everything just clicks. Like it just like it bro. Excuse me. I've been reacting to Imesi of the Cross with this guy singing. And bruh, I've sat here on this chair and I've been flabbergasted, bro. I've been shocked. I've been taken aback by not just his ability to write, but his ability to convey a message without fail. This man. Bafo Anata. We need to give people their flowers while we're still here, bro. I'm telling you. Hey, 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 oh, hey, hey, rock it, bro. Listen to my English speaking people. You guys really need to learn our language. You need to learn South African native languages, bro. Reason I'm saying this is that I know some songs in the world we relate to each other because we know the lyrics, but we don't even know what it means. That's what we say, right? Cool. It's okay. There are songs in other language that I listen to that I don't even know what they mean. But there are some songs that I do. Reason being, sometimes it takes away from the message. It takes away from the feeling as to how we are feeling whenever we are singing such songs. Right now, the song says, God says that your turn or your time or your biggest gift is still coming. That's what they're saying. But the way they are saying it, bruh, that's what you guys might be missing out on. The delivery of the message. That's what you guys. That's what my over your head. Oh, my lord. at this point, I'm not gonna sit here and say la 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 e la 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 e la la e. This guys, listen. This this is perfect, bro. This is the whole reason why. One of the few reasons I started this channel, bro. This is perfect. This. Oh my god. I want to break it down there, but I don't want to take away, bro. I don't want to take away from the entire choir itself. This, this is perfect. That's why I get anything 18 to Umatonsel. Bro, this man will go down in history as Zion as one of the best songwriters, conductors of all time. Of all time, bro. By the time we have kids, this, oh my god. Oh Lord. Oh. The Lord said, your time is coming because the time is near. That's what they say. So now you see how I put that. It makes sense because I had to break it down, but you wouldn't sing it like that. But you get what I'm saying, though. You need to learn our language, bro. Hey, hey. Bruh. Ah, nah. Nah, if you disagree, dog, I fight with yourself and your ancestors, bro. Tinongasibali because unenkinga serious. What do you mean? This is what we want. This is what I advocate for. I advocate for songwriting. I advocate for creativity. That's what I advocate for. As much as we are doing whatever it is that we're doing to praise God, let's be creative about it. Because this is the type of adrenaline, this is the type of juice that you want. Because now, even when you're singing that song, the whole point of worship, bro, is to kind of revive you and put you in a space to know that everything has its time, everything is to pass. You understand? So I'm happy. Like, yo, I I'm signing out in the favorite of me, Street Jupiter. Adios.